Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best scroll saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the General International Head Scroll Saw with Foot Switch. One of the features that you will appreciate about this product is that it has an upper and lower blade guard that will help to prevent any accidental contact of the hands and the blade. On the other hand, this scroll saw has been equipped with a switch protection gadget that will prevent unintentional startups. Additionally, in order to keep your working surface as clean as possible, you will appreciate that the kit includes a dust collection kit. The unique head for this saw tilts at 38 degrees to the left and 45 degrees to the right in order to keep the piece very stable for more accurate cuts. Another awesome feature that you will appreciate about this product is that it becomes very easy to raise or lower the blade's mounting position. What's more, there will be no tools needed to change the blades. Moving on at number 4, we have the Wen 3921 16 inches 2-direction scroll saw. This table has a unique design that allows it to accept blades in 2 directions for infinite ripping capacity. Another feature that people find convenient about this tool is that the speed can be varied up to 1600 strokes per minute depending on the task you wish to perform. The spacious table will bevel all the way to 45 degrees towards the left when you need angled cuts. With this machine, it will be possible to obtain woodcuts all the way to 2 inches thick and a throat depth of 16 inches at the standard position. You will also appreciate that the machine does not need any tools whenever you need to change the blades. Its cast iron base, on the other hand, will help to make sure that you get the most precise cuts possible. At number 3, we have the Grizzly Industrial GO53616 Variable Speed Scroll Saw. This one is a 16 and variable speed scroll saw that features some cast iron table which tilts up to 45 degrees. Additionally, you will appreciate that this machine allows you to adjust the speed up to 1885 SPM depending on the application type. Another great feature that has been incorporated in this machine is that it comes with an inbuilt air nozzle that clears the sawdust. This scroll saw will conveniently accept the 5 inches pin-type blades, and the best part is that it does not require any tools to change the blades. With a cast iron base that has been well rubberized, you will appreciate that it reduces vibrations. This, therefore, means that it will be possible to have the most precise cuts. The scroll saw has an approximate weight of 35 pounds that makes it very convenient to operate. At number 2, we have the Shopfox W1713 16 inches scroll saw with variable speed. This is a 16 inches scroll saw that comes at a very affordable price. With a 1.2 amps motor, it has plenty of power as well as enough variable speed that allows it to operate at a speed of up to 1700 SPM. You will also appreciate that it has some nice additions, including the gooseneck working light. It is for this feature why you will find this tool very convenient to use even in the dimly lit areas. You will also appreciate the manner in which this system keeps your working area clean now that it comes with a dust collection system. In order to sweeten the deal, the manufacturer has placed a warranty of 2 years on this product. Depending on the application type you will be using this machine for, you will appreciate that it will be very easy to change the speed accordingly. And finally at number 1, we have the Rockwell BladeRunner Portable Tabletop Saw. We begin our review with this scroll saw that only takes a very short time to set up. It will be great for cutting wood, metal, tiles, aluminum, and even plastic. It comes in a compact and portable design, so you will have the chance to carry it wherever you wish. Based on the material that you wish to cut, you will appreciate that the cutting capacity will be easy to adjust. Changing the blades for this machine will take the least time possible due to the fact that there are no tools involved for the same. In order to keep the working space cleanest possible also, it comes with a dust collection port. Another feature that you will be happy to hear about is that it comes with a manufacturer's warranty of 3 years to cover for any manufacturing defect. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.